Here's a tap steal. Jesse Bowler is trying to groove it along. Keeps it alive. Norfolk is back covering. Every time the Penguins get it, it's going right on a Norfolk stick. Bowler, nice finish on the hit. Radko Gudas, and Bowler is trying to get something going. Gudas probably not going to pick Jesse as a dance partner now with a 2-0 lead on the road, and Norfolk got to be fatigued from that long bus ride in the tough game last night against Charlotte. Penguins really, though, have not played with the energy you'd expect with a rare Friday night off. There's a big-time hit by Mormina. That's going to wake up everybody. Levi Nelson had his pair of pants knocked off him right there. Here's Nelson. He had the opening goal. Right now it's the game winner. It's a shutout bid. Here's Norfolk. Quick shot. Good late stick by the Penguins to knock it back. Mormina playing a very chippy back-checking game, trying to get something going. Norfolk is just onside. Penalty coming up. Who's this going to be on? It's going to be on Wilkes-Barre, as there was something behind the play. Nelson is tangled up now. It looks like Jesse Bolaris is trying to get something going.
Yeah, he threw the glove down here. He really wants
Nelson couldn't get off the bench fast enough. He looks like
smiling.
a kid. Mommy, there's some big man trying to beat me up. Now Jeff Walker's coming over to settle down Bolaris. Nelson looks like he's in way over his head, and he's not even talking back.
Yeah, Jesse's got to calm down and get the other way, but I'll tell you what, Norfolk is doing everything they can to not get involved physically. There's Mormina with a couple more chirps on his way to the bench. Now let's see what's going to happen. This came from the bench side. Chris Brown pointed to the Penguin bench, so this might be something unsportsmanlike.
Jesse's getting a penalty here. The time of the call is 4 minutes and 5 seconds into the third frame. It has not been a good night for the Penguins.